Hello, this is a video tour of 152 12th Avenue. It's located in the inner Richmond district in San Francisco. We're going to be touring a single family home. This is a very large home with parking, laundry. There's a bonus room down below. And here we are at the front entrance. And you walk into this nice foyer. To the right are the stairs leading up to the bedrooms. And over here to the left is a nice front room here. This faces the street. There are beautiful hardwood floors throughout. This home is very spacious, has lots of natural light, and it has a very open and flexible floor plan as well. You have gas heat throughout. Pocket doors here. This takes you to a very large formal dining room. Beautiful built-in cabinets, decorative fireplace. Here is the kitchen, and there's plenty of room here for a breakfast table as well. Gas range, microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator, stone counters. Lots of cabinet and counter space. And this is a nice big living room. You have built-in cabinets here. There is a counter and sink here for a nice bar. Over here is a full bathroom. So you have a toilet, sink, shower, medicine cabinet, sliding doors to close that off. And lots of windows here. You have direct access to an amazing wraparound deck, which is very large as well. There are two skylights here that bring lots of natural light into this family room. Okay, so here is another very large room here. This would be a perfect space for a home office, and you also have sliding doors that take you out on the other side of the deck. And let's step outside here. This is a beautiful space here, and you also have a very, very large backyard. We will show you that towards the end of our video. This building is located walking distance to Mountain Lake Park, the slow streets on Lake, the Presidio, lots of shopping, restaurants, coffee houses, and conveniences. Okay, so let's head on back into the home. Back into the family room. We're going to take you upstairs. Back through the kitchen. You have really nice light fixtures here. Lots of original charm. Beautiful stained glass window here. You walk up the stairs where you'll find 3 bedrooms here. There's a built-in cabinet. Here is the first bedroom. This is located off the street, so it is very, very quiet. It's actually a very quiet neighborhood. Nice transom window that lets in lots of light. There's a closet in there as well. Second bedroom is located right next door. Has a closet as well. These two are pretty equal in size. You have a full bathroom up here. So shower, nice big mirrors. And here is the third bedroom up here. You have a bay window with seating, heater vents in each of the bedrooms, and a good-sized closet here as well. And here's a view out the window. Okay, so you have 3 bedrooms up here. One of the rooms downstairs can be converted to a 4th. And we're going to show you the downstairs very shortly. Okay, walking through this magnificent space here. Down the back deck, past the large backyard. This is how you enter the lower space here. So down the stairs over here to the left, there's lots of storage here, and this is all covered and enclosed. Okay, so this back door takes you to a huge bonus room here. There's actually several rooms. This door takes you out onto the street, so this would make a wonderful home office or an au pair unit as well. There's a closet in there. Here is another space here. This could be used as a guest room. There is heat here. Nice big closet. And over here is a full bathroom. So this is a wonderful extra space here. Here is where the laundry machines are. And there you go. Okay, if you are interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsinsf.com to view this unit in person. Please contact Liz at rentalsinsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.